Okay, so what we have here is we need to change the 27 to the same base as 3. So we can go 3x equals 1 over 3 to the third. So then to get this up there, the exponent needs to turn into a negative. So 3x equals 3 to the negative 3. The bases are the same, so then x equals negative 3 is our answer. Okay, so we have 4 to the 1 minus x equals 8. So we get the same bases, so 2, they can reduce to 2, so 2 and then 2, 1 minus x, because you have to bring the 2 up, equals 2 to the third. So it'd be 2 negative 2x, because just the exponents, equals 3. Okay, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2x equals 1, plus minus, divide, x equals negative 1/2. That's your answer. Alright, so we know that our axis of symmetry is 0. And when that is 0, then x will be 0, and there's no y, so that y is 0 too, so that's our vertex. So we can plot that. Now we have to start getting points, so let's put 1 in for x, so y equals negative 3, 1 squared. So y equals negative 3 times 1 equals negative 3. Okay, so there we go. Now let's do negative 1. Y equals negative 3, negative 1 squared. So y equals negative 3 times 1. Y equals negative 3 again. Okay, let's do negative 2. Y equals negative 3 times negative 2 squared. Y equals negative 3 times 4. Y equals negative 12. Now let's do positive 2. Equals negative 3, 2 squared. So y equals negative 3 times 4. And we get negative 12 again. So now let's graph our points. So 1, negative 3, axis of symmetry, negative 1, negative 3. And then negative 2, negative 12 is down about probably here. Then axis of symmetry, about there, and then trace our graph. And we're done. Okay, so we know that our vertex is 0, 4, because the opposite of negative 4 for y is 4. And then our axis of symmetry is whatever x is. So x equals 0. So we can plot our vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's start getting points. Let's plug in 2 for y, or x. Y minus 4 equals negative 2 squared, so y minus 4 equals negative 4, plus 4, plus 4. So we get 0. Let's do negative 2 equals negative 2 squared. So y minus 4 equals negative 4. So y minus 4 equals 1 squared, or negative 1 squared. Equals negative 1 plus 4 plus 4. Y equals 3. And let's do negative 1 finally. So y minus 4 equals negative 1 plus 4 plus 4. Y equals 3. So now that we have that, let's plot our graph. So 2, 0. So right here. And then negative 2, 0 right there. And then 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Right about there. And then we have our graph.